All right, I'm gonna make this short and sweet as possible because I got a lot more work to do. I have 5 clogged drains. I snaked them, didn't clear them out. I grabbed a bottle of drain punch, poured it down into my main drain clean out, pushed the snake in there, and watched the water run straight down. 5 drains.
Did it make that noise you say?
Gurgle, gurgle.
Gurgle, gurgle. Now on those mainline stoppages, would you normally have had to call the plumber?
Yeah, normally once we snake them out and we can't get it to clear, we call. But I had a bright idea to pour some of this down the drain, and it worked better. It cost a lot less.
And how long have you been using Drain Punch?
About 2.5 years now.
Your favorite product?
Definitely my favorite product for clearing drains out.
Thank you, Terrence.
You're welcome, my man.